Just another quick video on another purchase I got from World Tiger Imports. I saw they're running a sale on their M91 Carcano carbines. So I took the opportunity to go ahead and see what a hand select fee gets you when it comes to these carbines. I went ahead and opted for the hand select option. It cost $229 plus shipping. Took about a week to get here. I believe the sale is still going on. Kind of comes and goes every couple days. So if you're interested in that, feel free to check it out. We'll go ahead and take a closer look at what I got. So the butt plate looks good. This top screw looks kind of worn. Bottom screw looks better. The butt looks pretty good. I don't see any chips or damage to it, just standard storage dings. The serial number does match the rifle. Wrist is in good shape. I don't see any cracks here behind the tang here. Magazine isn't bent. Sometimes you'll see that this gets bent in, and that's a problem for letting it feed correctly. Ended up getting a 1941 Brescia. So this is a World War II production rifle. Has a top handguard. There is a little crack right here. Kind of make that out. And the barrel looks pretty good. I don't see any pitting or anything. And the import marks on these are actually pretty well done. You can kind of make it out here underneath the barrel. It's very hard to see. So that's good. I know some of the other importers will slap them like right here on the side of the receiver, and they're really visible. So it's good that they're a little bit out of the way. The bayonet is a little bit loose, but it's not loose to the point where the tip of the bayonet will jump out of the stock. That's kind of my complaint about some of these. When they get so loose, you start sticking out of the stock and you can get your hand on it, which is unfortunate. It does have the push button type release here for the bayonet, which isn't really my favorite type. I like the little switch better. The bolt's pretty gummed up. You can see it's kind of hard to get it to click up, but it's full of just grease, so it's pretty common. You can see there's a lot of grease on there. You can see the inside of the receiver here looks pretty good. Don't see any rust or pitting. Now go ahead and take a look at the bore. So you can see there's a big piece of grease near the muzzle inside the bore, but otherwise the bore looks really good. Should clean up pretty nicely. Stock should clean up nicely too. It does look like there's some really nice grains in there that might come out, some linseed oil. Bolt looks pretty good. It's just covered in grease. It's really a good sign. Should clean up well. So I'll be doing a follow-up video with this, maybe this week, maybe next week, once I get it taken apart. Clean it up, put it back together, show you how it looks after that. But just as is, out of the box, it looks pretty good. Just really needs a quick cleaning, so it shouldn't take me too long. These are a pretty good deal if you're looking for a milsurp and don't want to spend a whole bunch of money. You can get just their regular, they mark them as good condition, and those are only about $150, so that's a pretty good deal. Certainly these are going to go up in value once they run out and this big Italian cache of them disappears. It is a little difficult getting ammo for these. PPU still makes it, and I think there's a couple other places that are making it now, including Milsurp Munitions. But you're probably looking at anywhere from $1.25 to $2 a round. So it's not cheap ammo, but hopefully as more of these get pretty common in the market, there'll be more demand for 6.5 Carcano, and the prices will come down as production ramps up, but we'll just have to see how that goes. So if you'd like to be alerted to the cleanup video for this, feel free to subscribe and sign up for alerts. If you have any questions about this Carcano, feel free to drop them in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching.